Chibi and Laci's channel. Today we have Ava, and our guest animal star for today is Laci. And today's video is puppy plays on the trampoline. Oh, okay. You ready, Laci? Let's go! Ava, I think we should try a magic trick. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa, we're on the trampoline! And Laci's on the trampoline! Okay, Laci. So, what do you think about the trampoline?
I'm a little scared.
Okay, guys, so Laci actually just jumped out of the trampoline. I don't think Laci really likes the trampoline, but let's see which toy she wants to pick. We should teleport again. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. This isn't the right place. Let's try this again. Whoa! Chibi! But this isn't the right place. But I guess this will work. Hi, Chibi! So, Chibi, what are you doing today, baby girl?
Oh, nothing, just hanging out.
Oh, just walking around? Okay. Have fun, Chibi. I'm gonna go inside. Let's hope this works this time. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Where did it take us this time? Guys, I'm so high up. This is so scary. Okay, well, there's Chibi right there.
Hi.
And there's Laci.
Oh, hey.
I guess that would be it for this video. This was like a short little mini vlog. Hey, if you guys liked it, thumbs up and subscribe, and peace. Say bye, Chibi.
Bye.